In this video, I will show you how to find when you became friends on Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook application or website and log into your account. Make sure your Facebook application is updated to the latest version so you don't miss out any new features. Go to the profile of the person whose friendship date you want to find. First, navigate to the friends list. For that, tap on the profile icon with a small hamburger icon available at top right corner. Here, tap on your username from the top. Your Facebook profile will appear and you will see friends option under your username. Tap on it and your friends list will appear. Select the friend with whom you want to check the friendship date. You can also type their name in the search bar at the top or select from the list available. Once you find the user, tap on their name to open their profile. Here you will see three dots. Tap on it. On the next screen, a variety of options will appear. Tap on the See Friendship option. On the next screen, you will see your friendship date, month, and year. Right now, it's just showing the month because it's a recently added friend. If you and your friend were added a long time ago, you will also see the year. The date and the year shown here is the one when you both became friends on Facebook. And this is how to find when you became friends on Facebook.